This brand new strategy can potentially generate you more than $1,000 every single day. And now I'm going to give you a complete blueprint on how to set this all up. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to generate up to $1,500 daily. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience. And you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. Guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and don't skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profit. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, because that way you are not only helping me, but you are making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every month. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. Now for the first step, I want you guys to connect to clearvoice.com. Now this is a website that is going to pay us today. It's going to be very, very profitable for us. And as you can see, this is a website for freelancers. You can upload articles here and you can get some serious cash, some serious profits. And the best part is it doesn't take too much of your time. And one more thing worth mentioning is that you can do this anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you live, you can still earn some serious amounts of cash using this website. Now, when you land on their homepage, I want you to scroll all the way down below and click on the section over here that is entitled For Freelancers. And that will redirect you to the page where you just simply need to enter your first name, your last name, and then you will click on the Get Started button. Then you will get redirected to this page and they basically ask you how would you like to sign up. You can sign up with email or your Twitter account if you have that, or you can connect with Google. I'm going to select with Google option, and once I log into my account, I'll be right back. Now, when you log into your account, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And as you can see, your username will be here and here. And the next thing you should do is complete your profile. You need to upload your picture over here, some links to your social networks account, and your profile completion will go all the way up to 100%. Now, your profile picture doesn't have to be your real picture. You can be anonymous here as well, put some avatar or something like that. You don't need to worry about that. You don't need to have a real picture in order to generate some extra cash. And as you can see, there are a lot of people using this website and writing articles and making some money. And as you can see, for example, this one over here doesn't have a real picture. It's some avatar or something like that. And you can click on that person to view her CV and you can find her work here. And there are many, many people here that are writing articles for Clear Voice and they are making money every single day because there is a lot of people who are searching the web and Clear Voice for these articles. And when they download some of those, when they click on your profile and they actually download your article, you will make money. But don't worry, you don't have to write real articles. And you don't need to have any experience in that or any skill. I will show you the way with which you can earn all that money and do nothing. Because as you can see over here, there are many, many categories for people all around the world searching for these articles. This is really easy money and it requires of you just a little bit of effort and some time. So you just need to invest your spare time and the money is gonna come. And now for the second step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Killer PLR articles. And this is a website where you can find millions and millions of different articles and all are copyright free. All of them are free to download and you can repost them, copy them and paste them everywhere you like. And that is exactly what we're going to do today. We're gonna find articles over here, we're gonna repost them to clearvoice.com. And as you can see, getting started with killer PLR articles is simple and easy. You just need to create your account, then you will verify that account, and then you will enjoy full access to this website. And as you can see over here, you can browse or search, preview content, and instantly download from our PLR article database of over 200 plus categories. And no monthly membership fee. No need to buy anything, guys. This is the perfect opportunity for you to start earning some extra cash online. And it's very, very simple. And as you can see over here, they got plenty of categories to choose from. There's arts and entertainment, business and economy, food and beverage, home and family, anything that is of your interest, anything that you find on clearvoice.com, anything that you need, you can find it here and then re-upload it. We can click here to browse more categories, and this is just a proof of how many categories there are on this website. It's great. It's the perfect opportunity to make cash, to make some money online without doing anything special. So this is a great website for our endeavor today, because the more articles we can get, the more money we can earn. That's it, guys. Very simple. And as you can see, this guy or girl over here has got many articles over here, and there are many categories as well. So I think that she's making plenty of money on Clear Voice. It's really crazy how many articles she has. And now I'm going to show you how you can do just the same. So let's say, for example, that we go to Arts and Entertainment section and we click on Celebrities PLR Articles. We click on that, and that will redirect us to this page. As you can see, plenty of articles over here. You can choose anything. There are many pages, and you can copy all of that. So no investment needed from your side whatsoever. As you can see, it also has a word count. So if you have a particular need to have, for example, 1,300 words, you can choose this one, and you can make pretty good job with it. And you can easily sell them all on Clear Voice. And for example, you put like $5 per 100 words. And for this article over here, you would get over $15. For this one over here, you would get $20. And for this one over here, you would get $65. Guys, that's awesome. You gotta take action, and you gotta grab this opportunity right now. If you don't get out of your comfort zone, you will never get money. So please take this opportunity, start working, and monetize your time online. And the best part of this is only one category. If we go back and we see all of these categories over here, it's very clear to see that we can do this over and over again and make some serious amounts of cash. Serious amounts of cash for just pasting articles. Guys, trust me, you will never find an opportunity like this ever. So let's say I'm interested in, coffee PLR articles. I click there, and it will redirect me to the page where I can find myself some articles about coffee. And for example, I click on this one, and it will show me a preview of this article. And in order to download this and make use of it, I just need to click here to sign up. And that will redirect me to this page where I just need to enter my full name, my primary email, which needs to be valid because they're gonna send us a validation link, and your password. And that's it. We are ready to go. Now all we gotta do is go back to our dashboard on clearvoice.com, complete our profile, and start uploading those articles. My suggestion would be to mix those categories, to put as many as you can, because there are a lot of people in the world who are searching for those articles, and your best bet would be to have plenty of categories available so you can sell them. And uploading articles over here is really easy. You just click on this button over here, add content, and you will just enter the URL to your blog post, or you can upload it directly via clicking this button over here, which is entitled Upload File. You can do it from your personal computer or your smartphone. It doesn't matter which operating system you use, you're still able to make some serious profits. And so, as you can see, I put some article over here, and now what you gotta do is select the category over here. Actually, I found some veterinary article on killer PLR articles, so I'm gonna put over there veterinary sciences. As you can see, it exists over here, and primary role for this would be copy editor, then content type would be article. And the thing that is most important is that you select publish content. It's really important because if you don't select that, people will not be able to find your articles on ClearVoice and you will not get paid. In the description section, you can put whatever you like, maybe the title of your article, and you will just have to click on update. And as you can see, content piece saved. That's what we're looking for, and now we're gonna get our money. As you can see, I already uploaded 2 articles and now I'm just waiting for someone to download them and I will get my money sent straight to my PayPal balance. It's easy money, guys. All you have to do is repost those articles and your balance will grow. A lot of people are doing this. A lot of people are making serious amounts of money. So why would you be an excuse? Why would everyone else make money and you have to be left out? It doesn't have to be that way. I just showed you this method and it's gonna make you profitable. You're gonna make some serious amounts of money straight to your PayPal balance, but only if you work on it. You have to take action. Start looking for those articles and repost them over here and watch your balance grow. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, work hard, and I will see you next time.